What's up, fam? Today I'm going to be going over how to do a lateral raise.
And this is the lateral raise. Starting with the hand placement, they should be tilted down at a 30-degree angle to help engage the lateral delt. To ensure the proper form is being used, the elbow should be bent at 45 degrees and raised above the wrist. And the primary target of this exercise, the lateral delt. If you have to do this while performing this exercise, then I can guarantee you the weight's way too heavy. For this exercise, the lighter weight always wins. Doing the proper form, you're going to get a much better pump and a much better workout. Here's a quick variation that can be used to put extra emphasis on the lateral delt. By leaning at an angle, you exclude the trapezius and put extra tension on the lateral delt itself. And let's go through it one more time to show you how it's done.
Alright, fam, and that's how you do a lateral raise. Until next time.